Can we say that this is the one? What do you think?
I'm ready.
All right. I'm Sarah Robertson of Studio Dearborn. I've been designing luxury kitchens for over 20 years. I've watched the kitchen become the most important room in the home. Every year, over 10 million American households renovate their kitchens. I wanted to share with you how to make that space feel personal and special and organized and tailored to you. This is Kitchen Confab. In our last episode, we finalized our color palette for Adam's Kitchen, and then we took a quick trip to Walker Zanger where we picked out all of our finishes for countertops and tile. So in this episode, we're traveling to Venice, Italy to visit the Folger Milano showroom. Are you ready to fly to Venice with us?
Welcome back. How are you?
So good to see you.
So good to have you back.
We're so excited to be here in Venice and so glad we're going to get to see you in Folger Milano again.
Absolutely. So glad that you could make it. Thank you. I hear you're working on a new project.
Yeah, we've got some exciting clients. Adam and Jenny are working on redoing their kitchen. They just bought a house and they want to get it done super fast, but they've got great creative sense about them, and it's going to be gorgeous, and I want you guys to be part of it. So I want to talk them into it today. So.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it.
All right.
Should we head down to the showroom?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, perfect.
Look at this.
You remember the showroom?
I remember the showroom. I'm so excited to be back. I can't wait. This time we're going to pick out something for a real client.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it.
This is Sophia, right?
This is Sophia. This is our marquee product. So we launched approximately 5 years ago. Sophia is named after the president and CEO of the company, Gianni Menenghetti, his daughter Sophia.
Oh,
we thought it was a homage to a family name, but it also is a name that resonates well in both English and Italian. It's easy to say in both.
Yeah.
And it's become the name of the collection of the product line.
So we met with Stephen Poloni on the showroom floor, and then we FaceTimed Adam so that he could actually see some of the ranges and appliances live.
There we are.
Oh my God, there he is. The man, the myth, it's Adam. All right.
It was so much fun. We basically picked the range we were going to use right there on the FaceTime call. So it was an absolute blast from start to finish, and we were so excited that we found our range.
What do you think?
Oh, we've been looking all over, and this is about as good as it gets.
And the beauty of the range, Adam, is that what we did a little different than some of the other manufacturers. We wanted to offer a true North American style pro range experience. So instead of having like a touch control on the top, we actually have the same knob setup that we have on our pro dual fuel and all gas ranges. You still get all of the same controls you would get in the touch control, but it gives you a larger cooking surface. We also customize the module so that you have an extra large dual power burner in the middle, 2 large inductors at the front, and then 2 medium inductors at the back. So we offer more power than average at this size and more cooking space to suit more North American style cooking or more professional style cooking with all of the other same features that we have in our other ranges.
All right. I think, so can we say that this is the one? What do you think?
I'm ready.
All right.
We are so excited about just the beauty of these appliances that we're going to get to put into Adam's Kitchen. The Italian craftsmanship is just mind-blowing, but it's a beautiful mix of craftsmanship and kind of a robust pro feel. So it's perfect for Adam's Kitchen.
Thank you so much for showing me this. I'm very excited.
We're all so excited. So we're going to see you soon back at home.
Goodbye from Italy, Adam.
The whole trip was a blast, and we're so excited to be partnering with them on this project and to get to be able to see those appliances in Adam's Kitchen.
what do you think? Since we're here in Italy and at the facility, would you like to go and see the production line where the Sophia ranges are made?
It's like right here. Let's
Yeah,
do it.
let's do it.
Let's
All
go.
right, let's go.
We got to go onto the factory floor and actually see some of the action on the factory floor and see some of the ranges being assembled.
Well, Sarah, we're at our state-of-the-art assembly
All right.
line for the Sophia range. This is where all of the products are built.
So tell me about this platform. It looks like it moves.
Yes. So when we put the line in, we wanted to create a comfortable working environment for all of the technicians, because when we talk about fit, finish, and quality, it also has to come from a comfortable work environment. So we have a lot of natural light that comes through the factory, but also the line itself is customizable. So depending on the size of the technician, the speed they work at, it's not a typical standard assembly line where you're forced to have to work within a sequence. Everyone's given a slot time to work. And then each one has its own control panel to both test the ranges before they leave the facility, and then they can also adjust the height of the platform. And the platform actually rotates so that they can turn the range around. Yeah.
So I can raise this up and down?
Yeah, you're okay.
So how do you do that?
You're gonna get up on the
How
stage.
do you wait, is it this?
Yeah, so
is it
just
this right here?
give it a shot there, up, down.
So like for someone who's like, someone who's
Yeah,
little like me.
vertically
I push it all
challenged
the way-
down, and there
Oh my
you go.
God. Woo, this is fun. Just me and Sophia. Well, that was fun. Thank you so much
You're
for
so
the
welcome.
tour.
You're so welcome.
So now I feel like we've seen Sophia in the showroom and we've seen Sophia on the production floor. Like, what a great day.
Well, we're so happy to have you back in Italy and take advantage of the opportunity to show you the production facility as well.
Yeah.
And
great.
I think after a long afternoon, it's time for a beautiful dinner in downtown Bassano, no?
I think so.
Excellent.
I'm feeling
Let's-
those rumbles. So
let's go.
Let's do it. In the next episode, the cabinets and then the countertops are being installed, but not without a little bit of drama. If you like these episodes, you can follow along by liking and subscribing, and you can click off to the right to watch the previous episode.